This is Aishwarya studying ninth class in Brilliant Model School, Dharmaram. Today I am going to doing a experiment. The activity name is observing stomata in beetle leaf. First of all, I want to explain what is stomata. Stomata is thousands of tiny pores are present on the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves are called stomata. Plant releases excess water from their body through stomata in the form of vapor. This process is called transpiration. Gases exchange also occurs through stomata. The main functions of stomata are gaseous exchange, stomata opening and closure help in the gaseous exchange between the plant and surrounding stomata, facilitate carbon dioxide uptake and release of oxygen during the process of photosynthesis. Now come to the activity. For this activity, what are the different things we need for this activity is glass slide, methylene blue, water, beetle leaf, divider, cover slip, blade, filter paper. Before we start the activity, let's see the structure of leaf. We know that leaf has two epidermis. We know that leaf has two epidermis, on the upside upper epidermis, lower side lower epidermis. When we want to observe the stomata which are present on the leaf, obviously we cannot take the whole leaf. We need one part of leaf which is called as a peel. This is called peel. It's a transparent. See, I will be taking this transparent peel on a slide. Take a blade. With the help of blade, cut this transparent peel. So now I have transparented my peel on this slide. I will make sure in this center we need to add some methylene blue. 1 drop enough. Now add 1 drop of water. Now most important thing, before you observe under the microscope, we need to place a cover slip. I make sure that my cover slip doesn't not have any fingerprints. So I clean my cover slip. Now place it on a slide. If there is an excess of stain coming out of the edge of cover slip, you just hold a filter paper like this. Now the slide is ready. Let's observe it under the microscope. We observed that under the microscope, stomata present in beetle leaf. Thank you for giving this opportunity.